there, Mark here again. We've got Rob on the camera.
Hello everyone.
And today, as you can see, we've got another unboxing because we've got a box to unbox. So yeah, this came the other day, and I know because it's got on it that it's from Time Tunnel Models. But Rob, I didn't order anything from Time Tunnel Models, but I think I know who did. I think it was somebody who lives in America. So yeah, I'm not pretending I haven't opened it because I have. So let's show you what we get when we have a look inside. And here's a note there. You got that, Rob?
Yep.
It is a Fighter Buggy RX Memorial on the DT01 chassis. So whoever sent me this, thank you very much. And for you guys out there, here's the little note. So it says, "Happy birthday, brother." Carmine, well, Carmine, thanks very much for this. I'm pretty sure he knows, Rob, that it's not my birthday.
Yeah.
I think this is a little joke because it's either a very late or a very early birthday.
It is.
But basically, thanks for the gesture. I mean, really, really nice of you. I tried to dissuade the guy. He wanted to send me something. We've been friends for quite a long time now on YouTube. Lots of communications. He said he wanted to send something. He knew that I haven't been having a good time recently and he wanted to cheer me up. Well, Carmine, mate, you've cheered me up, so thanks very much. We'll certainly enjoy this one, building it and running it, obviously. So, Rob, shall we get this thing out of the box?
I think we should, mate.
Have a look then, because yeah, this is a special one, isn't it?
It is.
Special Memorial Edition. There's a little bag here that says servo and bearings in there. So
wow.
Thanks again, Carmine. You're far too kind, mate.
Handle.
So, yeah, Rob, it has got a handle. I think there are a few Tamiya boxes that have that. I think the TTO2 Type S was that kind of this kind of box. It's a flip open box.
Must be me buying the cheap ones, mate.
That's it. I've got to say, Tamiya have done a great job on this for a 25th anniversary re-edition or edition memorial. It's a completely new box design. I do like the black and the gold.
Yeah.
Very nicely done. Because on a lot of other special editions, Rob, they just put a sticker, don't they?
They do,
on
yeah.
the original box. So it's nice to see they've gone out the way. There's a nice picture of the finished buggy there. So yeah, lovely job on the box.
Just show us that again, mate.
You want to see the button?
No, the side.
The finished buggy.
Yeah, cool.
Nice one. So yeah, good job, Tamiya. We do like that, don't we, Rob?
We do.
Now we're at a different angle to normal because I'm sat at the kitchen table.
Yeah, and I'm sat down.
For a change. So this is going to be a bit awkward to unbox it like this. I don't know if you can stand up there, Rob, and see this, or is that okay like that? We'll just quickly show there's your Time Tunnel Models fact sheet, which is always useful. Thanks, Neil. And yeah, it's quite nicely laid out for an entry-level buggy, I think. What we need to do, Rob, is get this laid out on the table and show these kind folks exactly what you get in this kit.
Yeah, I'm liking the gold wheels.
Beautiful. Let's do it then, Rob. There we go. Not much is there in this one, Rob?
No.
So normally would fill two of these tables with a Tamiya kit, but yeah, that's not a bad thing. It's a nice little kit. So we've laid all the parts out. So we'll have a quick first look at this. This is, I think, the main thing, didn't you, Rob?
Yeah.
The black body. It's hard plastic. And Rob pointed out you could paint this if you wanted to, but do you know what? I don't think I'm going to bother, Rob.
No, I wouldn't.
It's going to be a runner like all of mine. You've got the sticker pack with it, which is quite a nice bunch of stickers there.
It is.
And a lot of that will cover a lot of these surfaces. So, you know, I think I'm just going to go with it like that, Carmine.
I would.
Cheers, mate. So we'll do that. We'll just put those straight on again. Nice looking body. Hard plastic. We've got the monocoque chassis, and again, that is rather rigid, Rob.
Yeah.
It's quite a stiff one, that.
Looks like
unusually the battery goes through the back.
I know, that's going to be a lot of weight on the back.
It is, isn't it? But then again, I think it needs it because you've got that heavy gearbox at the back, which otherwise, if you're not going to weight to counteract it, it doesn't really move up and down. It just kind of, you know, just goes with the chassis where that might. Well, we'll see.
Yeah.
I've not. So this is a really good thing that Carmine sent me this one because it being a DTO1. I've got DTO2s, as have you.
We have.
And O3s, but not a DTO1.
No.
So it nicely fills up the lineup. So yeah, cheers again for that, mate. So yeah, that's quite a rigid thing. I think that's going to do a good job. We've got some bearings, thanks Carmine, and a couple of servos in case I break one. Marvellous. There's the very soft bumper for the front, Rob. I think that looks quite flexible. Just what you want. And again, I think it's a similar plastic. These are the front lower arms, aren't they, for the suspension?
Yeah.
And again, you can see the flex in that. That's what we need really, otherwise you're going to be breaking these parts. So yeah.
Yeah, with those tree magnets we've got.
Oh, definitely, mate, definitely. On to another thing that sets this buggy apart is these beautiful things here. Whoa,
Lovely.
Look at them, Rob. Beautiful alloy, well, they look like alloy wheels, don't they? Gold alloys. Strangely, they're silver on the inside, look. Hex at the back, and obviously rear wheel drive, so these will be free spinning. We'll put the bearings on either side in the front. So very nice, and you've got those sharp ribbed tyres, which we like these, don't we, Rob?
We do, yeah.
They're much better on the dirt. Obviously this is a dirt buggy, being a DT. And there's the rears. I do find these wear pretty quick, don't you, Rob?
Yeah.
And we've got a bit of that white kind of releasing agent on there. Have to give these a wash. But yeah, they'll be nice and grippy at first, that's for sure.
They will.
Do not want to use these on tarmac, do
No.
they? Else they won't be lasting very long. Okay, so what else we got? Let's finish the chassis bits first.
Talk about this bit here.
What bit where?
This bit here.
Oh, that bit there, Rob. We cheated, didn't we, and looked in the manual.
We did.
Look at this, guys. If anyone's just watched my lunchbox build, you'll see that I put a 3D printed bracket on the back to hold the rear gearbox or the rear transmission at the front to stop it from flapping about. Well, it looks like this one with a DTO one. You can tell me, guys, if this is standard or I don't know, but apparently that goes in there with the bar that goes through, and that does the same job and holds the front of this thing in there, I think, Rob.
Yeah.
In that hole.
Somewhere there, yeah.
Somewhere there. So, yeah, so that's going to do the same kind of thing. So it'll swivel from side to side and up and down. Yeah, with that brace on. So that is another great addition to the kit. Didn't know anything about that, did we?
No.
So nice one. Yeah, as I said, there's your solid rear axle transmission. You're going to put your motor and your diff and your drive shafts in there. These look like parts for that, aren't they?
Probably.
Probably. Let's have a look. We've got more plastic parts. Again, don't know where they go.
No.
Be going on to looks like they do hold.
Oh, they're going to hold the axle.
Looks like they hold that axle that moves up and down. Yeah, the pivot for the transmission. So yeah, looks like what those are for. You've got front and rear body mounts. While we're here, we've got a driver figure. Not much of one, but you know. He's got no arms or porches, but yeah, always prefer to have a driver in, so that's a nice addition. We like that. Another thing that this is special for this kit, I think, I'm pretty sure, being the Memorial edition, are these things. And you know we like oil shocks, so we've got the oil shock bodies there. We've got all the adjustments for those. There's the fronts, I think. We've got the longer ones there, the shock bodies for the back. And all the adjusters and parts for those shocks. And let's have a look in parts bag. See, a nice bottle of soft damper oil to go in them. So yeah, and the springs to go. So great addition to this kit, being that fully oil sprung shocks all the way around. We've got some more parts here. Got these, Rob?
Yeah.
I think these are for the servo mount and such. Some little arms there. Not sure if they're used. And then it's straight onto the parts bags. We've just looked at that one. Parts bag A, you've got your front axles, you can see there, metal axles, bit of grease, and some screws. Parts bag B, we've got those drive shafts and that pivot for the rear gearbox. And we've got the bevel gears there and the planetary gears for the differential, which will go in that case. And that's the spur gear, isn't it, Rob?
It is.
That'll be the spur, yeah. There you go. We remembered.
Had both of us then.
Yeah. So yeah, that's for all your drive for those there. Parts bag D. You've got your little wrench. I've got about 50 of those, I think, Rob.
Yeah, just a few.
Oh, look, you've got your metal drives for the rear hexes for the rear wheels. We've got those plastic bushings, but thanks Carmine, we won't be using those.
No.
We're going straight to the metal ones. Yeah, more screws. And I say, parts bag. See, it's got your oil and your other shock parts, including your shock springs and the seals. We've got a standard silver can, 540 motor. Not sure whether I'm going to be using that, Rob. I have got a 21 turn that I might be putting in.
Cool.
But I might do a speed test with this first, just so we can have a comparison. And servo saver.
Tidy.
So on that note, Rob, I think, have we covered this?
Yeah.
We haven't looked at the lovely manual.
No.
So it's got the nice special edition manual that goes with the kit, obviously, with the Memorial. Looks really nice. And again, starts off by putting the steering together by the look of it, the chassis, front suspension, front wishbones, yeah, gearbox. Let's see if we can find that mount, Rob, that we were talking about. There it is. It's part A5, look, which then, yeah, the gearbox pivots on. Oil shocks, yes, nice one, lovely to see. Rear shocks, yep, servo, the steering in, yeah, electronics, and it's pretty much there, isn't it?
Yep.
Just be a case then of putting those stickers on that lovely body, which we got here. And of course I've got Manta paint. Okay then guys, so that's your Fighter Buggy Memorial RX 1/10 Buggy DT01. All it leaves me to say is thanks again Carmine, it's really really nice of you mate, massively appreciated. And so if anyone out there wants to show me a bit of love, get over to Carmine's RC Tips and Tricks, I think it is, Rob, now.
I think so, yeah.
And yeah, there's lots of great stuff over on that channel. Right guys, great to see you, hope to catch you on the next one. It's good night from me.
And it's good night from him. See ya.
Bye.